Hello, my name is James. Today, I have another wonderful lecture by Neville Goddard. Let's get started. From Faith to Arrival. Good evening, everyone. I'm Neville Goddard, and I'm here to talk to you today about the incredible journey of faith. How many of you can relate to having a dream in your heart and a belief in your spirit that you can overcome all of life's obstacles and achieve your desired destiny? I can relate. We have all been here before, and through faith, we have the power to make our dreams come true. Tonight, I'm going to discuss the essential journey of faith and how we can make our dreams a reality. The process of taking yourself from faith to arrival may sound easy, but it's easier said than done. Let's delve into the process and create a manifest destiny with each person in the room. The first step in creating your manifest destiny is to get clear about what it is you want in life. Have a vivid vision. If you want financial security, imagine what it looks like. If you want a love relationship, envision how it feels to be in that relationship. The more clarity you have in your vision, the more potential for success. The second step on the journey of faith is to believe that your dreams will come true and trust the process. Create a deep conviction in yourself that you are capable of achieving anything you set your heart to. Believe that you can manifest miracles in your life. Only then will you have the power and motivation to take the steps necessary to reach your destiny. The third step is to take action. Ideas without action are merely thoughts, but with action, those thoughts become reality. Believe in yourself and take massive action with faith. Put yourself out there and make things happen. Take small steps today that will lead you to your destination tomorrow. The fourth step is to stay focused and maintain your faith in the process. Every now and then you'll experience disappointment and setbacks, but these moments are essential in order to grow and learn. Persevere through them and stay focused on the end goal. Believe that each step you take is leading you closer and closer to achieving your desired destiny. The fifth and final step is to celebrate your success and give yourself the recognition you deserve for your hard work and dedication. Look back on how far you've come and realize that the power of faith has taken you there. Acknowledge your successes and be proud of the person you become. From faith to arrival, you have the power to achieve anything you set your heart to. Believe in yourself, take action, and stay focused. The journey starts with faith in your visions and culminates with arriving at your destiny. Don't get discouraged when times get tough and challenge yourself to stay focused and take action. With faith and action, anything is possible. That was spot on. Through my studies, I have grown fond of this Neville Goddard. Every time I read Neville's work, I have this feeling that's indescribable. Truth. Hope you all feel the same. Please click on the subscribe button below this video, give it a thumbs up, and like it if you did. It is greatly appreciated, and will help this channel more than you know. Thank you for watching.